Let's open up TestPlan Manager and create a new plan. The first thing to do with a new plan is to give it a name and number. Then start listing the test points, each with their own unique name and number. For this example, I'm creating a 72-hour load study plan with 5 test points. When finished listing the test points, save the plan to your PC. Insert an SD card into your computer and click Distribute Test Plan. Verify that the plan is going to your SD card and click OK. After the Success dialog box, another box will open and ask if you want to repeat the action with another SD card. Click Yes, swap the SD card in your computer for a different one, and click OK when finished. Repeat this cycle for as many SD cards as you have analyzers. In this example, I have 5, so I will do it 5 times. Once the SD card is in the computer, the test plan is sent to it with just one click. Now every analyzer will know the plan. You can also print out the test plan so your installers know the plan and can write important notes as they perform the tests. Now that all the SD cards have the plan, insert them into your analyzers. It doesn't matter which ones go in where because they all have the full plan. This next part will look a little different depending on what analyzer you have, but the process is effectively the same. When the analyzer is connected to the power system and you're ready to begin the test, press the Monitoring Start-Stop button and load a test plan. Using the keypad, find the plan you want to use and press OK. Then find and select the appropriate test point and begin monitoring. Do this with every analyzer at every test point, and the analyzer will know where it is in the plan. After the test is over, remove the SD cards from the analyzers. Don't worry if they get all jumbled and mixed up. You won't need them in any order thanks to TestPlan Manager. On your PC, open the test plan and insert one of the SD cards into the computer. Then click Get Test Data Files. Confirm the data is coming from the SD card and is going where you want it to go. The data that will be transferred is checkmarked, so just click on the Transfer Data button. Now, just repeat the process to receive the data from the SD cards as you load them. All the data will now be organized for easy viewing. To view and analyze the test data, click Leave a Test Plan and then Analyze Data, or you can open the Data Analysis tab of PSMA. You will find the data where you directed TestPlan Manager to put it. This is the default location. The test points are listed alphabetically and each test point's data is on the same line for easy access. Click on any log or waveform to view it in a new window.